Your thought holds the power to heal not just yourself, but also those you love. Imagine someone you deeply care about, a family member, a close friend, or even partner struggling with health issues, relationship problems, career obstacles, or financial challenges. You feel powerless, unsure how to help, yet you desperately want to ease their pain and improve their life. What if I told you there is a simple yet incredible powerful method that allows you to heal their struggles even from a distance? This method is called Ho'oponopono, a Hawaiian practice of forgiveness and reconciliation that holds the potential to transform lives in ways you never imagined. This isn't just a spiritual concept, it's practice that has scientific backing and proven result. The mind has the power to influence reality, and through Ho'oponopono, you can tap into the power. And when combined with a powerful visual aid like a photo of a person you are healing, the result can become even more profound. To understand why this works, let's first explore the science behind it. Every thought you hold carries a vibrational frequency. Study in quantum physics reveals that but our thought, emotions and intention have the power to influence physical matter. Just like sound waves and radio signals, our thoughts create energetic patterns that extend beyond our physical bodies. This is why the energy you send towards someone can positively or negatively impact their well being by using a photo as a focal point. You direct your subconscious mind energy more powerfully and precisely towards that person. A person reinforcing your intention to heal them. Think of a photo as an energy anchor. When you look at someone's picture, your mind immediately recalls memories, emotions, and connection tied to that person. This strengthens the energetic bond you shared. By placing the photo in front of you while performing Ho'oponopono, you amplify the connection and channel powerful healing energy directly towards their life. Here is how you can use this technique effectively. Start by choosing a photo of the person you want to heal. It can be a printed photo or one displayed on your phone. Find a quiet place where you can sit without distraction. Place the photo before you and take a few deep breaths to calm your mind. Now focus on the image. Visualize the person as healthy, happy, and successful. Imagine their struggles being dissolved, as if they are stepping into a life filled with peace and abundance. Now softly repeat the four powerful Ho'oponopono phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. As you say these words, don't try to force emotions, simply let the energy flow. Visualize the healing energy flowing from your heart to the person into the photo. With each repetition, imagine their pain fading away, their burdens lifting, and their life improving. If you feel emotions rising within you, perhaps guilt, sadness, or regret, embrace those feelings. Embrace those feelings. They are part of cleansing process. The more you release, the stronger the healing effect will be. One powerful story that illustrates the impact of this technique involves a woman who used Ho'oponopono for her strange brother. He had been facing severe financial problems, had lost his job, and was struggling with depressions with nothing else to turn to. She decided to try this technique. Every night, 2 weeks, she sat in front of his photo quietly, repeating the four Ho'oponopono phases. She did not tell her brother about the practice. Yet, within days, her brother called her unexpectedly to share that he had been offered a new job and was feeling much more positive. Coincidence? Perhaps not. This is the power of focused intention combined with unconditional love. Healing someone through their photo is not about controlling their life or forcing outcomes. Instead, it's about cleansing the energy you hold towards them. By taking responsibility for your perceptions, emotions, and memories related to that person, you begin to clear the energetic blocks that may be affecting them. The beauty of Ho'oponopono is that it requires no complex ritual or tools. All you need is your willingness to take responsibility, your commitment to repeat these 4 phases sincerely, and your intention to heal. Even if the person is far away or unaware of your practice, the energetic shift can create positive changes in their life. If you are struggling to believe in this technique, consider this: countless scientific studies have demonstrated the power of intention and focused thought. Dr. Masaru Emoto's experiments with water molecules showed that words and intention can dramatically alter the molecular structure of water. Since the human body is nearly 70% water, imagine how your loving, healing words can transform the emotional and physical state of a person you are trying to help. To make this practice even more powerful, you can combine Ho'oponopono with visualization. Imagine the person receiving blessings of radiant light, bathing them in love, forgiveness, and harmony. See their challenges being resolved, their wounds healing, and their life blossoming into peace and joy. This combination strengthens your intention and accelerates results. But remember, patience is a key. Healing is a process, not an instant fix. Continue this process daily with genuine intention and allow the universe to orchestrate the perfect timing for change. Ho'oponopono is more than just a practice. It's pathway to profound inner peace and spiritual growth. As you heal other person, you simultaneously heal yourself. The love, the forgiveness, and gratitude you offer to others will ripple back into your own life, creating unexpected blessings and abundance. So, tonight, take a few moments to sit in silence, place the photo of your loved ones before you, and repeat those 4 powerful phrases: I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Watch as the energy you send out transforms not only their life but your own as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you resonate with this video or if you like any part of this, please like and comment. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a blessed day. Love all, serve all.